It was successful for me kasi may mga nanonood while I'm doing game streams and primarily ang game na ini-stream ko nun is Mobile Legends, which is
Mhm.
talagang sikat naman, no? And
Mhm.
nadala ko yung persona na Eraser Eye and the nickname, right? While I'm streaming yon, usually naka-shades pa rin tayo, right? And eventually, while you're doing it, you get comfortable, no? Natanggalin
Mm.
na and show your face, di ba? But, meron pa rin konting effort na nandun. Consciousness na kailangan ko pakita yung mukha ko, kailangan maayos ako, ganyan, and everything. So, it boils down, di ba? Babalik tayo, paano tayo nagsimula? Di
Mhm.
ba? Paano ba naisip na kailangan ko mag-stream pero ayokong pakita yung mukha ko? Di ba? So, I thought of a way na dahil ayokong pakita yung mukha ko,
Oo.
why not cover it, di ba? Make a persona or alias na
Oo.
in a way na adapt ko. Naging persona ko na siya.